How to customize the navigation menu in the Shopify Horizon theme. If you recently upgraded to Shopify's flagship Horizon, you've probably noticed that the navigation menu operates a bit differently than other themes. So Horizon uses Shopify's latest nested theme blocks to give you a ton of flexibility, but finding all the right toggles can be a little confusing. So I'll show you exactly in this video how to customize your desktop and mobile menus to get them looking perfect. Before we jump into the design, we need to make sure that your links are organized in the back end. So from your Shopify admin, go to Online Store here, and then click on Navigation. If it's not there, just go here, Content, Menus, and then in here you need to navigate to the main menu right here. And Horizon natively supports nested submenus up to 3 levels deep. To create a clean drop-down structure, simply drag your submenus slightly to the right under their parent category. Once your links, collections, and pages are nested exactly how you want them, just click Save. In order to drag them, use the slider right here and drag them as you wish. And now that your menu structure is ready, let's make it look beautiful. So go to Online Store. In our case, we'll choose, of course, Horizon theme as default and click Add it here. And once the visual editor loads, click on the header section here on the left. Now in Horizon, the menu is managed as a nested block, so you can just click directly into the header menu block settings. Here you can adjust the top level font size, tweak the submenu text size, and change the media type, which defaults to displaying featured products directly inside your dropdown. If you want to change the background color of your navigation bar, head back to the parent header section, scroll down to the bottom and select New Color Theme. So you go to Theme Settings here and choose the palette color that you desire. And this is how you unlock the full power of Horizon's block-based navigation. If this step-by-step guide helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe.